One-to-many is the most relationship pattern found in any system design, while many-to-many is the second most relations pattern found in software design. While one-to-many is quite direct and easy to handle, many-to-many is a bit tricky to handle. We need to introduce associative class in the relationship. Since these two association cardinalities are most common in design, you need to master these two relationships. After we have implemented our design using the chosen technology, we need to validate our implementation. Validation is to check if we have developed our application correctly, meaning according to the specification. The application should cover both functional and non-functional requirements. Majority of the activities in software validation are related to testing. The type of testing that we use is unit testing, integration testing, and user acceptance tests. Unit testing is the responsibility of the software engineer or programmer. He needs to test his own codes, ensuring his code free from errors. In integration testing, we test when we integrate the module, ensuring data or function executed well when it is accessed across the modules. For all this type of testing, we need to develop testing plan. For unit testing, we will develop unit test plan, known as UTP. And for integration testing, we develop integration test plan, known as ITP. Now that you have understand what UTP and ITP is, I have two questions about it. First, when should UTP and ITP be created? At which phase of software development the UTP and ITP should be created? Second question, after we have created the UTP and ITP, when the plans should be executed? At which phase of software development this plan should be carried out? Think about it and write your findings in the class notebook. In this lesson, we have recapped on phases of software development method. In software specification topic, we have discussed the non-functional requirements focusing on product specifications. Then, in software design, we have looked at various architectural patterns for distributed systems. Also in design, we use UML to model our component, and in the implementation, we did some programming using Java. We close our lesson with software validation. Still, you have topics which are not clear to you or you need further clarification, please drop your question in the class channel. Thank you.